digging out all the cars. All of those bumps are cars. Isn't that crazy?
It's absolutely insane. And the sun is out and the mountain is closed.